Okay, what we're going to take a look at is how to do a video pull tab in Adobe InDesign CS6. We've already taken a look at how to do an audio pull tab, but we are going to switch things up and use video instead. So I'm kind of starting off with some things here already. You obviously won't have those. If you haven't watched the listen yet, go ahead and take a look at that, and that kind of has more of the fine details. I'm just replacing my listen image with a watch to say that I now have video. I'm going to change my cut line, say tap to play video. I'm going to go File, Place, and I'm going to place my media. Important thing to remember is to use the correct audio codecs. If we're targeting iPad audiences, the correct video codec to use is H.264, and that is kind of what the iPad likes to see, and saved as an MP4 file. That also kind of keeps file size down. Let me go ahead and place this in my box here and align it. Okay, and what we're going to maybe we'll change this up. I think that having hyphenations is kind of cheesy or difficult to read essentially in a media tab, so we're going to avoid those like the plague. So now what I've done is I've placed a video, have a cut line, and instructions to the user to tap the icon to watch the video. So what we're going to do next is select our video here. We're going to go over to Media. Here we can say play on page load if we want the video to play when the user pulls the tab out. I usually leave that unchecked so that they have the option of whether they want to watch it or not. Not going to say loop because looping video is annoying. And if we have, for poster, if we have an image that we want displayed with maybe a play icon or something to that effect, we can add that in there. I just use from current frame, and you can actually select which frame you want it to play from, and that will update. I'm good with sticking right there. Next, let's go over to Folio Overlays. In video, where autoplay is unchecked, but we are going to say play full screen. And what that does is, if we didn't have that checked, the user would tap and they would see a tiny little video. But play full screen, when they tap, it will open up full screen in their iPad. So everything is good to go here. Again, select our little deal, then click Group. We are going to move our group down to where we would like it to be. Watch, again, halfway in between the inside margin and the edge of the page. We're going to cut it and paste it into our box. Again, Folio Overlays, scroll direction is going to be horizontal, scroll indicators hidden, and using document position for initial content position. Okay, we're going to save this, and then go to, again, Folio Overlays and Folio Preview. Adobe Content Viewer will open, and we can pull this tab out, click it, and then the video will play full screen. The user will have their own video controls down here that they can interact with as well. And then they can put it back when they're finished. That is how to do a video or a watch pull tab in Adobe InDesign CS6.